Ever wondered who designs better, AI or humans? No? Well, we're talking about it anyway. Let's dive into this amusingly contentious topic of artificial intelligence and human designers. It's an age-old debate, really, man versus machine. Who's the true Picasso in the realm of graphic design? Is it the cold, calculating circuits of an AI, or the warm, erratic pulse of the human heart? Intriguing, isn't it? So, buckle up, humans. This is going to be a bumpy ride. Let's introduce our first contender, AI designers, the new kids on the block. They don't need coffee breaks, but they might need a reboot now and then. These digital whiz kids are truly tireless workers. They can churn out designs faster than you can say Helvetica Neue. They don't complain about tight deadlines or demand a raise. They're like the diligent office intern, always at your beck and call, minus the awkward small talk by the water cooler. AI designers are armed with algorithms, pattern recognition, and a database of design trends that would make any human designer's sketchbook look like a child's doodle. They can create hundreds of design variations in the blink of an eye, but there's a catch. They sometimes miss the mark. A bit like that time your autocorrect turned a simple hello into hippopotamus. So, that's AI for you. Brilliant fast, but might accidentally turn your logo into a Picasso painting. And now let's meet the old guard, human designers. They might need coffee breaks, but at least they won't turn your logo into abstract art. Ah, the human designers, the grand masters of the art of unpredictability. They're like that eccentric artist who lives down your street, the one with the paint-splattered dungarees and a mind filled with ideas that'd make Salvador Dali's moustache curl. They're notorious for their creativity, their ability to breathe life into the mundane. Their minds are limitless canvases filled with vibrant hues and strokes of genius. But oh dear, their flaws are as striking as their talents. They need breaks, loads of them, and not just the coffee kind. They need holidays, weekends, and occasionally a good old-fashioned nap in the middle of the day. Their whimsical nature might just turn your corporate logo into the next viral meme. But isn't that the charm of human unpredictability? That's humans for you. Creative, unpredictable, and might accidentally turn your logo into a meme. So who's the better designer, AI or humans? Let's weigh the pros and cons, shall we? On one hand, we have AI. It's like the diligent employee who never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and certainly never calls in sick. AI can crunch numbers, analyze data, and churn out designs faster than you can say graphic design. It's like having an army of tireless, caffeine-fueled interns at your disposal. And the best part? It won't complain about the lack of window view or the mundane tasks. On the other hand, we have humans. They bring something to the table that AI, in all its binary glory, can't: creativity, originality, and the ability to think outside the box. Or the sphere, or the rhombus, or whatever geometric shape you fancy. They can interpret a client's vague request for something fresh and exciting and turn it into a masterpiece. They can feel, empathize, and connect on a level that AI, well, just can't. But let's not forget the downsides. AI, for all its efficiency, lacks the human touch. It can't appreciate the beauty of a sunset or the elegance of a well-crafted typeface. And humans, well, they need sleep, get grumpy without their morning coffee, and are prone to the occasional bout of creative block. So, who's the better designer? The jury's still out. But one thing is for sure, AI won't steal your lunch from the office fridge. In the end, it's not about who's better. It's about who can get the job done without turning it into a disaster. In this grand battle of pixels and color palettes, both artificial intelligence and humans have their quirks. AI, with its relentless efficiency and precision, can sometimes miss the point entirely and end up creating a masterpiece of chaos. Humans, on the other hand, while they bring creativity and originality to the table, can also be wonderfully unpredictable, turning a simple design task into an adventurous journey with more plot twists than a soap opera. In the world of design, it's not just about creating beauty, it's about managing messes. And both AI and humans, in their unique ways, are quite adept at creating messes. So, until AI learns to appreciate a good meme or humans learn to work without coffee, I guess we're stuck with both. Now, isn't that a delightful thought?